Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to use Adobe Illustrator to create amazing icons for usage within Power BI. So all you need to do is to drag and drop the icon which you would like to edit. Okay, now let me zoom out a little bit by pressing Control and minus at the same time. And what we need to do next is to go to Window and choose Image Trees. That is right over here. Okay, and of course we need to select the image which we would need to edit. Click on Preview and click on Advanced. Select Ignore White, and it might be a good idea to play with these buttons here to improve the final result. As we zoom in, we can easily see that the color, we can easily see that there are no pixelation and the image is very, very clear. So if we're satisfied with what we have here, we just need to click on Expand. And after that, we need to, let's say we would like to make these black shapes. Let's make them white and have a background in, say, red to make it very clear for the user. So in that case, the first thing we need to do is to go and choose, choose. Oh yeah, we just need to choose this black color and make it white. Okay, then we need to add a rectangle. It's recommended to have the rectangle cover a bigger space than the plotting area. Let's say we'd like to get this red color, so we just need to click OK, and then we just need to move it to the back, and we need to come here and choose RGB. Okay, and once we're done, we just need to customize the size of the artboard to fit with the shape we have created. So I'll put it like this and like this, and to make sure that the shape is centered within this artboard, we just need to make sure that it's aligned with the artboard and align it horizontally and align it vertically. And now it should be good. So all we need to do is to press Alt, Control, Shift, and S all at the same time. And here we can see a preview of how that shape would look like before we actually export it. Make sure that the exporting extension or the file format is JPG, and make sure that the quality is 100%. Finally, click on Save and save it wherever you want. So let's call it Test, for example, and click Save. Okay. Yeah, let's call it test.jpg, and let's see how it looks like. You see, now we have the final result.